Welcome back to Really Mary. Super excited this week to have my very dear friend Joy Metalios talking about referrals with us this week. Joy, give us your name, where you're from, what all that's about.
Sure. Hi, I'm Joy Metalios. I run the Metalios Team in Greenwich, Connecticut, and I run a team. We're based, we cover all of Fairfield County, and we were actually ranked the #1 large team in all of Connecticut. So.
Which is really cool. Now, Joy, it's funny because not all agents are the same, not all teams are the same, but your team manages both luxury, which is very hard to do, and everything else, right? So talk to me a little bit about that. So if I wanted to give you a referral, what does that look like for you guys?
Yeah. So I would say, if you would like to give us a referral, we'll take it. Our policy and our core value is to really help anyone and everyone. So we will always give everyone a 5-star treatment. And so we absolutely do handle luxury. My average price point is over $3 million. The team's average price point is closer to $800,000. But we will also help anyone with a rental. We've helped other Tom Ferry clients with rentals as well. So whether it be a listing or a buyer, we've actually helped a lot of buyers this year with off-market listings because in a low inventory market, it's been really tough to find buyers' homes, and because we have our hands in so many different things, we've been able to find them off-market listings, which has been great.
That's huge, and your inventory is incredibly low. It's
very low,
a fifth of what it was.
Yes.
Which is phenomenal. We're not seeing the same. And today, the reason Joy is here in the studio is because she came and did a week of vacation here in Marco Island. We cover all of Southwest Florida, Naples, Fort Myers, etc., Cape Coral. I always have to put in a plug for my Cape people. But the goal is that there's a lot of times as agents, we don't always ask the next question. Like, where are you moving to somewhere else? How can we help you? Because Joy, we're connected with the top agents, I think, through Tom Ferry organization in the world.
Definitely. And actually, there was a situation recently where someone from the Tom Ferry organization called me up because her very good friend was relocating to our area and was referred to an agent through relocation and was getting horrible service and just didn't feel secure with their agent, but was connected to them through relocation. And she called me up and she's like, "Can you help out my friend?" And I said, "Absolutely." So sure enough, their friend pivoted and we helped them out and we secured them a house because he didn't feel comfortable winning a house, with a bidding war, because that's what it came down to.
Which is really incredible. If you're thinking about making sure you have those referral agents in your Rolodex, old term, or in your CRM, new term, or on your phone, whatever you want, make sure you have the one that is going to actually get the job done, give the experience that you would expect them to give to your client. We'd love to talk to you more about that. Again, you are in
Greenwich, Connecticut, Fairfield County, yes.
And I'm in Southwest Florida, and we would love to help your clients. Until next time, I'm Mary Bartos with Premier Plus. And again,
Joy Metalios with Houlihan Lawrence in Greenwich, Connecticut.